The last time I entered the roll house of Wickliffe, it was 2021. Now it's 2024, and a lot of changes have occurred. Let's get in there and check it out. Hey everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today I am definitely indoors. I don't know if you guys can recognize where I'm at, but this used to be the old Palisades Palace, freeway lanes, and the game of Wickliffe. And now it's like going to be an auction center for returned items from Amazon and different stores where you could come in here and basically buy it either in pallets. You got to buy everything in a pallet. But if you look closely, this is where the lanes were right here. And these little grooves in here, that's where the gutters, the ball returns were.
Yeah, I told my husband I wanted to downsize. Oh, 11 pounds. And he says, I said, it's really heavy.
Nice shot. Thank you, Eddie. There was like 96 lanes here at one point. And now look at it. This is unbelievable. Nothing really is left. The bocce ball is all gone. That would have been the bocce ball. The area for the kitchen. Look at that. I'm standing right now right where the front desk was. The front desk would have been right here. And Cindy, love you Cindy, miss ya. This would have been where you would have been working, right here. And then there was another snack bar over there, and the bar was right here where this guy is. This is where the bar was. And you would come in through here. Can you believe it's all gone? Look at this. This is unbelievable. I don't know if that structure is new that they added over there. It's probably something they just added recently. But remember where the bocce ball was over here? Cool. I'm going to put some old pictures. I can try to superimpose pictures of what it used to look like into this. But this is something. Back there is where that was like maintenance back there that would go back, and they had like a whole workshop for Ken and Joel who would do the lane repairs over here. This is kind of breathtaking to see how many changes. All the this would have been the other game room over here. And the other snack bar was over here, and then there was the mini bar further down over here. I love how the lights are going on as I'm walking. Yeah, this would have been the main concourse that I'm walking down. How cool is that? Yeah, see, they're filling in the gutters right there, or the ball return slots. Everything has been removed from whatever was is no longer. Let's take it all the way down to the other entrance over here. This guy said I could walk around, and just so I don't walk into any pavement over here. I want to show where the old entrance used to be. Oh, look at that. The old bathroom is still here. Oh, yeah. One of the repurposed bathrooms that we used to clean. It's still here. Oh, my God. Can you believe it? Awesome. That was worth the price of admission. And then the men's room is over here. Do not use it. It's no water. Look at that. The old bathroom. And then there used to be a sign, welcome to the world, America's largest bowling center. That was over there too. They had all their administrative offices over there. And this is where the Wednesday night merchants used to bowl, right over here. I always wanted to do this. Roll a ball on a lane when the lanes are shut off. Okay. Wow, the pin center goes down. Well, I didn't even have, that was a bad shot, sorry. Pretty awesome indeed. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors. This is definitely history happening right here. I made a video of the last days of this bowling alley, so I will put a link to that video in the description if you want to see what it really did look like before it was completely gutted over here. But at least we got to see the bathrooms. That's still a thing. The bathrooms are still here. Michelle will be happy to hear that. All right, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors as we are here at the old bowling alley in Wickliffe, Ohio. The old Palisades Palace, freeway lanes, game of Wickliffe, and oh yeah, the roll house of Wickliffe. Right, can't forget that one. And we were there for all of them. All right. Bye, Cindy. Thank you. All right. Just like leaving. Man, I can't believe all those 10 pins I left. Holy cow. Unbelievable. Yeah. All right. See you guys.